This is a vent clip tutorial from start to finish. I'm using the rose mold from Natali and then also red from E Squared. So you'll make these just like any mold. You'll just put the beads in and then I bake at 325 for about 20 minutes. Once they're finished, you'll just pop them out of the mold. And then I use the Sharpie oil-based paint pens and I just go through and I color in all of the details. Once you're done decorating, that means that you're ready to put in the eye screws. So what I like to do is I like to take my eye screw and I hold it with a pair of pliers to keep it firm, and then you're going to push it really hard into your Freshie once it's completely cooled off in the space where you'd like it to hit. Then you're just going to twist it until it's flush with the Freshie. So I like to test it to make sure it's not going to pull out, and then this shows how it will hang off the vent. So then you'll do the same thing with the other half of the vent clips. So again, push it in tight, and then you're just going to screw it in all the way until it's all the way flush with your Freshie. So after that, the very last thing you need to do is to package up your vent clips. I like to sell the shower clip portion separate from the Freshies because customers don't need those every time. I'll link all of my materials in the video notes so that you can purchase anything if you need to. Thanks for watching.